Wait, what?
After
your Miata was painted a Porsche color?
You painted GT silver? Wow, Dustin, you're a car guy.
I'm a car guy.
Dustin, you could have sold that on Bring a Trailer. Porsche factory painted Miata.
We're actually wrapping this entire M3. Do that thing again where you're massaging with the scalp.
Oh, it feels good, yeah.
Are you having this car done today?
Today?
The next morning.
Sean, you said you'd be done with this car by today. Only thing I see wrapped is the hood.
I'm gonna try to be done today, yeah.
Everything all that, isn't it?
Oh yeah, sure. We didn't like it.
Oh, HAYWOOD'S camera's recording?
Tyler sucks.
Not like it's out of my budget.
Of course.
No, of course not. Not at all. Not at all, Haywood.
2 hours later.
This is the look of someone who regrets doing satin black. We're making headwind on this M3 here.
Headway?
Headwind.
We're making headway.
Why did you do that? You should have let him just do it.
We're making headway on this M3 here.
72 hours later.
I can't tell if you're here to wrap a car or you're here about to go on vacation.
Both.
Where are you and Raul going? Hawaii?
It's only me. Call on the wrap rods.
I am here. What am I doing?
Gonna wrap around the bumper first. Happy it.
It looks freaking mean. Car was once mineral white and well, it's no more. We spent a lot of time on this one. We even took out the BMW badges, the side markers, even the door handles and the tow cover, things like that, just to make sure we get a nice clean wraparound, because honestly, it's the little details that make up how good a wrap job is, and I think we really nailed it with this one. The plan for this car is stripes, big stripe in the middle, and there's like little pinstripe on either sides.
Sorry? Come up with design? Not yet. Speaking of which.
As you can see, it's the hood, and it also goes down to the bumper here too. And to make things a little bit more unique, we're not just gonna be doing black. We're gonna be doing reflective black.
You see it? Yeah, you saw it.
During the day, it looks kind of like the smoky black. Kind of see that it is reflective, especially when you take a picture with it with flash on. So it's kind of cool. Nice little subtle detail. Good, you're using the tape that I taught you to use.
Do you know about the Chupa Bar?
Hell yeah, they used to eat goats. What is this?
This is my free candy van.
Why are you in this thing?
Get in the back.
Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Lock him in. Lock him in. Let's go.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Pop, pop, pop. Let me close. I traded the M3 for it. I didn't! I still have the M3. If you traded the M3 for the van, then this would be a 1995 Astro van.
I know the perfect design you should put in your van.
What?
Have you seen the pedal bear?
That'd be terrible.
We have Will's creepy van here. As you can see, we're tinting it nice and dark, so you know, keep all his creepy things that he does inside the van private.
Come here, little boy.
Just got done with Will's creepy van, so we did photo sync 30 on the side two front windows and photo sync 70 on the front windshield, so nice and cool whenever he needs it. Yes. That's it for the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. We want to work in cars, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe to our channel. I really appreciate it. And I have this video here that I think you might like, so check it out. I will see you guys next time.
That's how Dustin DJs.
It's called scratching, bro.
You actually know how to scratch?
You don't know how to scratch? I do it with my record player.
The only thing you scratch is your balls.
Some guys, like, it's okay to, like, pop a ball as a joke, but you don't just, like, pop your tip out as a joke.
Who pops a ball as a joke?
What are we talking about?
Some dudes are weird enough to do that.
What the